In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a blog outline with HubSpot's AI blog generator. To get started, open a clean browser session before you visit the tool. Using a clean session simply helps avoid distractions from old tabs, saved logins, or autofill issues, and it can make the process smoother if you want to focus only on the task at hand. Once your browser is ready, go directly to hubspot.com/tools blog generator. When the page loads, give it a second to fully display so you can clearly see the main input area. Next, locate the empty blog generation search box and type in your preferred topic focus keywords. This is where you tell the tool what you want the blog post to be about. Try to be clear and specific with your wording because the quality of the outline usually depends on how well your topic is described. For example, instead of using a very broad keyword, you'll generally get better results with a more focused phrase that reflects the exact subject you want to cover. Take a moment here to make sure your keywords match the intent of the article you want to create. After that, move on to the audience and tone settings. Select the target audience demographic parameters that best match the readers you want to reach. This helps the tool shape the content in a way that feels more relevant and useful for that group. Then choose your preferred writing tone options. The tone you select influences how formal, casual, professional, or approachable the draft will sound, so pick the option that fits your brand, your platform, or the style of content you normally publish. Once those settings are in place, click the orange Generate Blog Outline button on the screen. After you click it, the tool will begin building a structured outline based on the topic, audience, and tone you selected. Depending on your connection and device, this may take a moment, so just wait for the full layout to appear. When the generated blog post layout is ready, review it carefully. Read through the section titles and overall structure to make sure everything aligns with your goals. If needed, edit the titles so they sound more natural, more specific, or more in line with your publishing style. When you're happy with the draft, copy it and move it over to your website or content editor so you can continue refining and publishing it. That's the full process from start to finish.